The Luseta Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner Set is designed to promote hair strength, thickness, and growth, making it an ideal solution for thinning hair and hair loss. Infused with powerful ingredients like biotin, collagen, and argan oil, this combo helps restore nutrients to your hair, while collagen adds volume and dimension. Suitable for both men and women, the sulfate-free and paraben-free formula is gentle enough for daily use and perfect for nourishing dry, damaged hair. Each bottle contains 16.9 fluid ounces, providing long-lasting moisture and a healthier, shinier look for your hair. Users have praised the Luseta Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner for its ability to visibly improve hair thickness and strength. Many appreciate the blend of biotin and collagen, which adds volume and promotes growth, making hair appear fuller and healthier. The inclusion of argan oil and sunflower seed oil deeply moisturizes the scalp and repairs damaged strands, leaving hair smooth and shiny. Another highlight is that the formula is sulfate-free and paraben-free, making it a safer and more natural option for those who want to avoid harsh chemicals while promoting hair growth. While the Luseta Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner delivers great results for many, a few users have mentioned potential downsides. Some with very fine or oily hair noted that the argan oil content could make their hair feel slightly heavier or greasy if over-applied. Others mentioned that the thickening and growth-promoting effects may take a few weeks to become noticeable, which could be a drawback for users seeking immediate results. Additionally, while it's great for dry or damaged hair, users with extremely oily scalps may find they need to wash their hair more frequently to maintain volume. The Luseta Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner Set is a fantastic option for those looking to strengthen and thicken thinning hair. With biotin, collagen, and argan oil working together to nourish and repair dry, damaged hair, this sulfate-free and paraben-free formula is a great choice for both men and women. While it may feel a bit heavy for users with fine or oily hair, the long-term benefits of healthier, fuller-looking hair make it well worth trying for those seeking to improve hair growth and overall hair health. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.